Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the obvious technical matches and then act fast. Make sure the SRT or AS file is loaded and matches the video name or is manually opened. Next, open View Right Arrow Options Right Arrow Playback to confirm the subtitle renderer and default delay behavior. While doing that, play the file and test audio timing using J and K to adjust 0. 5 steps. This gives you a baseline delay number to correct, because precise starting values avoid guesswork. Once you have a baseline, correct the timing interactively. Press J or K to shift subtitles by 0. 5 seconds, and use Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus arrow keys for fine 0. 1's nudges. If the offset is consistent across the file, use Subtitle Right Arrow Shift Subtitles to apply a permanent change, or export and edit with a subtitle tool like EJSub for batch adjustments. Also check the subtitle files, timecodes versus the video frame rate, because a frame rate mismatch causes progressive drift over long videos. Finish by saving and reloading the adjusted subtitle file, then scrub to the beginning, mid, and end to confirm sync holds. If you notice drift, timing correct at start but off later, convert subtitle timecodes to match the video's FPS or resync segments around keyframes. Make sure to try a different subtitle renderer, for example VS filter versus EVR, and update MPCHC and codecs. If problems persist, reinstall the renderer or check for corrupt subtitle timestamps as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.